Hey students, welcome to class. My name is Tim Brennan and I'll be your instructor. This video is to show you how Blackboard works and how to navigate this class, as well as how to submit the first assignments and get started with everything in the course. So once you log into Blackboard, you'll first see this content tab. And here on this content page is where you'll find all of the activities and assignments. This is where you'll spend most of your time in the course. You can see the week 1 through 7 activities and assignments, and in each of those folders, you'll complete activities and submit your assignments. The first place to start in the course is the Start Here folder, which you can click, and then you'll see the different activities to complete in this Start Here folder. This is basically where you can read the course syllabus. So you would click on this link and you'll be able to read the class syllabus, the schedule, and the whole structure of the course. I recommend you go through this first folder to get started with the class. It kind of introduces you to the class and all of the different requirements and things that you need to know to complete the course. There's also folders for getting some support for student resources, some extra academic help, as well as extra help using the Blackboard app. After that, you will then get started with the week 1 activities and assignments. So to get started with week 1 activities and assignments, you click on that link. You can see the week 1 agenda, and then where you see the word submit in this class is where you need to submit something or turn something in to Blackboard. So this is your first assignment. It's a growth journal. It'll also represent your week 1 grade. To complete this first assignment, you click on the link, then you'll see the assessment and you click View Instructions. Here you'll be able to view the instructions of this assignment, which is to complete this growth journal and fill out this Microsoft Word document. You can copy and paste it or download it by clicking the download button. And then once you're ready to submit, you can either put your text in here by copying and pasting it, or attach a file, attach your Word document. And then once you're ready to submit, you can click the submit button in the bottom right hand corner. And that's how you submit your assignments in this course. Other than that, you can see the other activities of week 1, which includes some reading and class activities we'll do, and then a submission for your first essay, which is a brainstorming for that first project. So there you see where you'll spend most of your time in the course under the content tab. The next most common place you'll probably be in this course is in the gradebook. So you can click on this gradebook tab and it will take you to this page where you can see your grades. It can show you, I like to click on this button so that it creates the due dates from the beginning to end of the course, and it's in order once you click that due date button. And then it'll show you all of the different assignments that you have to submit, your due date, so you can always check when something is due, and if you miss an assignment, you can go back and resubmit it. And then it'll also show you your grade once it's graded in the results, and you'll see feedback from me and messages from me throughout the course inside of this gradebook. So this is how you can see all of the assignments that you'll need to complete throughout this course, and the gradebook is a great way to check on your status, to see how you're doing throughout the class, and to keep on top of everything. You'll also see where to see your official grades of the course throughout the different checkpoints, which are the growth journals in this class. And so that will be here for Growth Journal 1, and then you can see Growth Journal 2, and other growth journals and major projects throughout the course. Beyond that, you may also use the Messages tab where you can send messages to me, and if you have questions, you can shoot me messages through this place in Blackboard. It's probably the easiest way to communicate with me. There's also discussion boards and announcements, and a calendar as well, which you'll use from time to time. In this class, we might use the discussion board for some peer reviews and sharing our writing with one another. But for the most part, those are the basics of Blackboard, and you will find yourself first starting the Start Here folder and clicking on these links and completing these activities and readings, then move on to the week 1 activities and assignments and submit your first assignments for week 1. If you have any questions or you need support with this, let me know. Take care.